Up at the North Pole, where the snow twinkles like tiny stars, Santa was getting ready for his big night. His sleigh was packed high with presents. The elves were singing jolly songs, and the reindeers were jingling their bells. But oh dear, something wasn't quite right. Santa felt a tickle in his nose. Achoo! Santa let out a giant sneeze. The sneeze was so big and so powerful that it sent a poof of magical glitter all over his sleigh. The sleigh wiggled and jiggled, and then, with a bounce, it lifted right off the ground, all by itself. Ho there! Santa cried, grabbing his big red hat. The sleigh zipped past the workshop, leaving a trail of sparkling dust behind. The elves waved, their little faces full of surprise. The sneezing sleigh zoomed over the snowy hills. It swooped down to say hello to a family of penguins who were waddling in a line. The baby penguin giggled and flapped its wings as the sleigh did a loop-a-loop in the air. Next, it zipped through a forest of pine trees, where fluffy white bunnies were playing hide-and-seek. They stopped and wiggled their noses, watching the magical sleigh whiz by. A big, friendly moose looked up from munching on some frosty leaves and gave a happy bellow. Even the snowman standing guard by the candy cane lane got a surprise. As the sleigh flew past, it tickled their carrot noses, and they all sneezed little puffs of snow. Achoo, achoo, achoo. The whole North Pole was filled with happy sneezes and laughter. Finally, the magical glitter began to fade, and the sleigh gently floated back down, landing right beside Santa. The reindeers nudged it with their noses as if to say, "That was fun." Santa chuckled, his belly shaking like a bowl full of jelly. "Well," he said with a wink, "it seems my sleigh caught a case of the holiday giggles." He climbed in, ready for his trip, and as he flew off into the night, he let out one more tiny, happy sneeze for good luck. Achoo! Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for listening to our story. Be sure to follow for more fun adventures.